Saturday, y'all. Back with another video. What I'm doing now is I'm connected the speaker leads off the speaker wire I ran from the front, from the tweeters, from the 6.5s, and from the 6x9s. So I already got the 6x9s connected. Gonna set the gains in a minute. I'll probably do the 6.5s later, because I'm still trying to figure out how I want to run my tweets. Because this amp, the 2 ohms pushes out, I think, 250 watts. I think at 4 ohms, it pushes out 125. So I got 4 tweets in here. I'm having 4 tweets. The ohm load it's not gonna be where I wanted it, because I want to have more power. So the only way to get the ohm load to go down is I had to add 2 more tweeters. And I'm thinking I'm gonna put them right there up top. Just have to take that pillar down and drill a hole, and mount them in there and just run the speaker wire down, right down to the amp, and that'll give me my 2 ohms. So I have 2 6x9s. I have 2 6.5s in the front. I had a tweeter up top on that by the door, on top of the door panel. Got a tweeter down there by the 6.5. And then I have these tweets I'm gonna put up here also. So I have 6 tweets and 4 speakers. That's my setup. 1,000 watt 4-channel, 3,000 watt mono amp, Clarion crossover, got 800 watt connect battery, extra power. I got 0 gauge ran all of my battery wires up front. Got 0 gauge laid back here. 0 gauge coming from this amp, grounded. And actually, that's what I want to show you too. My grounds. And there go my, I don't know if y'all can see that. There go my ground. At first, I used the wrong lug, and it wasn't the screw wasn't going all the way through, so I had to take it out and use another lug, and I got it in there. And then just like this side, I don't know if y'all can see. If y'all can see those grounds also. It's grounded, bare metal. No interference in my speakers or nothing. No staticky noises and no any of that. All crystal clear. So like I said, man, I'm gonna make y'all another video of me setting these rig gains. Let y'all hear how it sound. Alright, in a minute.